Hi everyone. Now let's talk about input operations. So we use input built-in function to pass values dynamically. In other programming language we use different method, but in Python we are using input built-in function to pass values runtime into the program. For example, if you are taking a equal to 100, then print off, then you can say value of a is, then you can call that variable. So that means you are calling. Now the value is 100. Whenever you want to change the value, then you need to change in the code itself. Then you will get 200. Then whenever you require 300, so that means when you require values step by step, then we need to change in the production, that means in the code. So always changes in the production will be escalation. So then what we need to do, each and every time as per the requirement, and tomorrow what requirement will come we don't know. So that means if you want to make your script into dynamic, then what you need to do, so you need to use input built-in function to accept dynamic values at runtime. For example, I'm taking here input of enter value of a is, then what you need to understand here, print of a. Then when we execute, then it will ask one window where you can pass values at runtime. You can pass here 100. Now whenever you require another value, then what you need to do, you need to pass value dynamically. So that means you are not going to change code itself. So that means you are just passing values, different values at runtime. So then this will be useful for in the project whenever you want to run, like if after 5 years or 2 years, whatever, then code will be same and you are changing the values itself. That's it. Now you can change values here itself. For understanding purpose, I am using different window like 6th and 7th instances, but here you can pass directly itself 100, then rerun the program, then you can pass 200, then if you require rerun, and then you can get it. So you need to pass values dynamically to the program to avoid hard coding value in the project. So always if you have any hard code value in the project, then client will not accept those code. That means you need to create code for future purpose, not for today or tomorrow. It will be useful for to run the business for a long time. So we need to use these input built-in functions. This is all about input operations from the user. Okay, thank you and see you in the next class.